In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable field-level security in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know how to control exactly which fields your users can view, edit, or not see at all, based on their profile. So sensitive data stays protected without locking down entire modules. Field-level security lets you restrict access to specific fields inside a module, rather than the entire module. This is especially helpful for things like internal notes, financial amounts, or other sensitive details that only certain roles or profiles should work with. Think of it as a fine-tuned layer on top of your general permissions, giving you precision without disrupting everyday workflows. To get started, log in as an administrator or as a user with the customized CRM permission. Click the Setup Gear icon. From there, go to Users and Permissions, then choose Fields and Links Permissions. If you don't see that option in Users and Permissions, you can also reach the same controls by going to Customization, then Modules and Fields. Open the module's layout and configure permissions at the field level. Both paths lead you to the same goal, so use whichever you find quicker in your setup. Next, in the Fields and Links Permissions area, pick the profile you want to manage. Profiles represent groups like Sales Rep, Support, or Manager, and your changes will apply to everyone assigned to that profile. Then select the module that contains the fields you want to control, such as Leads, Contacts, or Deals. You'll see a list of fields available in that module, which makes it easy to review what's currently exposed. Now edit the permissions for each field. For each one, choose whether it should be visible, read-only, or, in some setups, completely hidden for that profile. Visible means users can see the field, and, if their broader permissions allow, they can edit it. Read-only means users can see the value but can't change it. If the hide option is available, the field won't appear at all for that profile. After setting the right level for each field, make sure to save your changes so they take effect. These permissions apply to all users assigned to the selected profile, so it's a good practice to confirm you've chosen the correct profile and module before saving. Keep your choices consistent with your data policies and communicate changes to teams so they understand what they can see and edit. That's it. You've enabled and configured field-level security in Zoho CRM, giving your organization precise control over sensitive information while keeping your workflows smooth.